So we have height as a function of time in seconds on this different planet. And we have an upside down parabola. Instead of x, we're using t. Instead of y, we're using h. So let's draw this graph roughly. And notice how -2 means 2 to the right. So 1, 2. Positive 10 means 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Way up here. This is the vertex. This is 2, 10. And that's going to be an upside down parabola. So we're going to draw a sad face like this. What is your initial height? Your initial height is here, which means your starting point. It means that t is equals to 0. So let's substitute 0 into here, and we get that height when t happens to be 0 is negative 0 minus 2 squared plus 10. So negative 2 squared is 4, so we have minus 4. Minus 4 plus 10, which is 6. So the h-intercept or the y-intercept is 6. So the initial height is 6 meters. When do you reach your maximum height? It's not what is your maximum height. When do you reach it? You reach it at time equals 2. T equals 2. What is the maximum height? It's the y value. Do not mix up the t and the h values. The h value, the maximum height, is 10. After you jump, for how long are you above a height of 6 meters? So fortunately, this graph is very clean on the actual integers. There's no decimal numbers. These are just integers. And you can see that we start here at h equals 6. And if you look on Desmos, you can see it even more clearly that from here to the middle line, we have 2 seconds. This is 2 seconds. And again, from here to here, this is symmetrical. We have another 2 seconds. 2 plus 2 is 4. So for 4 seconds, you are hanging very high above the clouds. When do you land in the water? The question is, find the x-intercept, find the root. We're not interested in negative time, we're interested in positive time. So one way of finding this, you could use quadratic formula, you can try some other techniques as well, but we can simply set h equals 0. Set the height equals 0. 0 is equals to negative t minus 2 squared plus 10. This is already in completed square form, vertex form. We're going to throw this term over. We get t minus 2 squared equals 10. We're going to square root both sides. T minus 2 is equals to plus minus root 10. And then we're going to throw this negative 2 to the right. We have t is equals to 2 plus minus root 10. Now remember, the hardest thing in grade 11, 12 math is to reject extraneous. We're not interested in negative time. We're not interested in this theoretical position over here. So ignore the negative sign. Time is equals to 2 plus root 10 is our final answer. Okay, so now it's your turn.